Understanding Pump the Ramp, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the interesting phrase, pump the ramp. It's not a phrase you'll hear every day, but it's a fun one to explore. So, let's get started and unravel its meaning together. Pump the ramp is not a commonly used phrase in everyday English. It seems to be a blend of two concepts. Pump, often associated with generating energy or effort, and ramp, which is a slope or inclined plane. This phrase could be interpreted in several ways depending on the context, but it generally suggests building up momentum or preparing for a significant effort. It's crucial to note that phrases like these can have different interpretations based on regional uses or specific contexts. In this section, we'll explore a few scenarios where pump the ramp might be used. 1. In sports. In skateboarding or BMX biking, pump the ramp could mean to gain speed or momentum on a ramp. 2. In business. In a business setting, it might refer to gearing up for a big project or initiative, implying a build-up of resources or energy. 3. General use. More generally, it could be used metaphorically to mean getting ready for a challenging task or exciting event. Understanding phrases like pump the ramp is all about context. English, like many languages, is full of expressions that might not make literal sense but convey a particular idea or emotion. When you come across such phrases, look at the context in which they're used to grasp their meaning better. And that's a wrap on Pump the Ramp. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of this unique phrase and how context plays a significant role in English expressions. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.